Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rafa Megantara, and this is Breaking 9 News. We bring you to the latest breaking news on this fateful day, 23rd of October 2023. A devastating tornado has struck Seman 9 Bandung, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Stay tuned as we provide you with real-time updates and stories of resilience in the face of this natural disaster. Your safety and information are our top priorities. Now, let's go live to our on-site reporter. Sandy, what's the situation like there?
Good evening, I'm Sandi Anggoro, reporting live from the scene of devastation at SMA 9 Bandung. The aftermath of the tornado is very heartbreaking, with extensive damage to buildings and infrastructures.
Wogi, sige na.
You're always on my mind. That's how much I care. I can't think of a time that you weren't there. I know that I'd be lying if I didn't want you here.
Local authorities are on the ground working tirelessly to assist those affected by the tornado. So now we have Alga. Okay, so we have Alga and Rafif who was present during the tornado at SMA 9 Bandung. Alga and Rafif, would you like to share your experience with us?
The tornado is like nothing I ever seen. Chaos and fear everywhere. I was even separated from my brother Rafif.
I know, bro. I was scared too, but it's good thing we're here right now. We heal for sure.
Thank you very much, Alga and Rafif, for sharing your experience with us in this very difficult time. So back to you, Rafa, in the studio.
Thank you very much, Sandy, for your on-ground reporting. Our thoughts at weirdos affected by this devastating tornado in Seman 9 Bandung. On behalf of our team, good evening.